In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in card.co. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the typography controls, how to switch between the built-in fonts, and how to bring in your own custom typefaces if you're using Card Pro. Start by opening your site in the Card editor. Once your page loads, click anywhere on the canvas. This reveals the controls on the left side. From there, open Theme. Theme is where Card centralizes your global design settings, and it's the best place to handle fonts so everything stays consistent across your site. Inside Theme, look for typography. Here you can choose which text type you want to edit, like your heading, subheading, paragraph, or button text. Select the text category you're focusing on first. This lets you set the font for that specific type of text so your headings can have a strong display style while your paragraphs remain clean and readable. Next, click the font drop-down. You'll see a list of standard fonts labeled as free, which are available to all users. If you're keeping things simple, pick a free font you like and watch your canvas update instantly. This live preview is helpful for checking legibility and overall vibe before you move on. You'll also see an option to add custom font, which is a paid feature and requires Card Pro. If you have Card Pro and want to use a specific brand font or something more unique, choose custom, then select upload or link font. Upload is perfect when you have the font file on your computer, typically a .ttf or .otf file. Link is useful if the font is hosted online and you have a direct URL to the file. You can source fonts from places like Dafont, but make sure you have the appropriate rights and licenses before using them on your site. Once the font is uploaded or linked, it will appear in your options so you can apply it to the text type you selected. Repeat this process for any other text types you want to style, such as subheading, paragraph, or button text, so your look remains cohesive. Keep readability in mind, especially for smaller text, and consider how your choices feel on both desktop and mobile. Lighter weight files generally load faster, and simple high contrast combinations are easier on your visitors. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently switch between standard fonts or bring in your own custom type for a polished on-brand card site.